In part 2, I'm going to construct a decorative coil panel and attach it to my coil bowl. Begin by squeezing some clay into a sausage shape and rolling out a coil. Remember to twist it every so often to prevent it from getting too flat, and apply a little bit of water if you get any cracking. We're going to fit this coil to our bowl and cut it to size. And we'll prepare a second coil the same size so we have the top and bottom of our panel. Now I'm going to roll up a thin coil and prepare a series of spiral coils. And I'll fit these all the same size in between the two coils I just made. You can make whatever type of creative coils you like. Here I'm using a coil I've already made to figure out the size of what the next one should be, and I'll do that repeatedly so that they all come out about the same size. Now that I have enough to fill my panel, I'll start placing them in between the coils that I've already made. I'm rolling up some balls of clay to stick into the gaps. Now I'm blending the backside of this coil panel to give it structural support. This will be the inside of the bowl, so it'll blend smoothly with what I've already created. Now that my coil panel is assembled, I'm going to score the lip of the bowl now that it's leather hard, and I'll also score the bottom of the coil panel. With both parts thoroughly scored, I'll slip them both and attach the parts firmly together. After a little fitting, I'll begin to blend all the parts of the clay together. finish off this phase, I'm going to clean up the shape of my pot a little bit and make sure that all the parts are blended firmly together to make sure that everything is constructed strongly. Here I'm using a rib tool to shape the bottom of my pot and reinforce the connection by blending the clay together. In part 3, we'll finish cleaning up our pot and making sure that everything is smoothed out and well blended. Thank you for watching.